on yourself and everything?
Oh yeah. You know how we do. You know. For sure. Oh yeah. Now I know I said my 3-point shot is flawless. There may have been some cap in my rap right there. Yeah. Don't judge the form either. Wait, don't judge the form. Hold on, I'm gonna start off with a closer shot. Yeah, I'm gonna start with a closer shot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like that. Like that. Just had to, you know what I'm saying? Ooh. That's off the record. That's off the record. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Off the record. Off the record. Oh my God.
Cut the camera. So we're at the park and he is trying to get his first 3-point shot. As you can see, it's not going too well, but that's okay. That's fine, right guys? Right, of course. So he's setting up. Oh. So I can't say anything though, because when I go, I'm not making anything either. Okay guys, so we're gonna put you down here. You guys are gonna follow me. Oh yeah, I'm locked. We're gonna see how the camera tests, because I'm over here. It's following me, and then I'm gonna walk over here, and it's following me, and we have the mic. So I think we're pretty set. I wanna see how far it follows me. Oh yeah, it's following me all the way over here. Oh yeah, we're locked. And then I'm gonna walk over here and it's following me. So he's locked, I think. You think you got this? Oh yeah! There we go, that's one. Let's see how many we can lock in. I'm gonna put you guys on the show. It's okay.
See, I think the problem, yeah. Okay. Yeah, you did. Yeah. Yeah, you almost touched the net, yeah. No, that's not. Yeah, watch a real nigga do it. Oh yeah. Oh. Nah, I get it. I understand it now. I understand. And I made it after I said that. I understand it now. Oh yeah. This can't be real. This can't be real, bro. It's been years.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Dry like the Sahara. Could it be me? Wouldn't know. Oh, see no. So missed a 3-point, missed a layup.
Oh yeah.
Dry like the Sahara. But I digress. I think it's just because he's really close to the net, and that's what's making him hit these shots, is because of how close he is to the net. But if he was really further back from the net, you know, he wouldn't be hitting these shots.
Wet like water! Wet like water! Yeah!
I personally feel like he's dry like the Sahara, but we all have our We all have our different opinions. Yeah, so he's really getting into it now. I think the ego's getting a little bit, huge. Shut up, guys. But I will talk to y'all in the next one. Over and out.
Hey guys, so we are back home from our tattoo appointment. I had so much fun, and honestly I have been waiting to get a tattoo for so long. I wanted to get all my piercings out the way. I currently have my nose pierced, I have my helix on this side, and then 3 piercings on my lobe, and then I have a spider bite on this side, and then the other 3. So I think that's about like 9 or 10. But yeah, the plan was always to get all the piercings I want out the way and then start doing like, tattoos. But yeah, I had so much fun today. The pain level, honestly, for my bicep was like not that bad. I know like my friends would tell me that you may want to get numbing gel and it hurts a little bit. But for me, honestly, it just felt like a vibrating sensation. Like it was honestly maybe like a 2. I want to say really like a 1 because for me my pain level is just pretty high, so everybody's different, but it really wasn't that bad. And I loved going to the girl that I went to. She was amazing to work with. She had like a snack cart, and the music she was playing was like, the vibes were immaculate. Like I'd say they were absolutely amazing, and we had some really good conversations. So I would definitely recommend going to her. I'm gonna put her link in the bio of her Instagram and her tattoo shop and all that good stuff. But it was a really enjoyable experience. Like I would definitely recommend it to anybody. If you're thinking about getting specifically fine line tattoos, she's a really good tattoo artist. And if you are thinking of getting a tattoo, I would definitely say this: eat before you go, of course, obviously. And also, I'm a diabetic, so with diabetics, our blood sugars can tend to like drop or go high depending on how you're feeling. But make sure that you eat before you go, wearing comfortable clothes, and of course drinking a bunch of water, because we all know that if you're going to get a tattoo done, you definitely need to be at your utmost healthiest, because you don't want to pass out or anything like that. but it was really nice. Like, such an enjoyable experience. I cannot wait to go again. I'm definitely gonna maybe get another one in July, close to my birthday. And yeah, but that was our tattoo experience for our first tattoo. Super exciting. So like, just like, I'm literally geeking. I actually can't. But yeah, guys.
Welcome to your escapology escape game. The aim of the game is to escape within 60 minutes.
Late got music.
And search the room for clues, crack codes, and solve puzzles to earn your freedom.
Where we got this? You got this? Okay, so we just left the escape room. We didn't finish it, but that's okay because we're gonna come back and finish it. We got to like the second to last one, just about. Yeah, we got to like the second to last one. It was a murder mystery, and you had to figure out basically who was gonna kill you, or who was gonna kill you, and who killed your grandfather and your dad and your mom and your entire family tree in a sense. So safe to say we're gonna come back. We're gonna try it again. It's gonna be okay. How do you think you did?
I think I did. I did what I was supposed to do. I was there for the moral support, just
Right.
like unlocking stuff. I think I did pretty good though. Like, next time we gonna get it though, because we was looking at ghosts, we was looking at dead people like The Exorcist. That was crazy.
Yeah, so safe to say, I think our teamwork skills were like unmatched though. Definitely Sherlock and Watson, for sure. For sure. For sure. We're about to go get some food. We're going to Super Chicks. I've never been. He's been though. He's putting me on today, so we're gonna go get some food, and I will see you guys there. Yeah, so we're at Super Chicks. Never been here before. It looks cool though. So we could get the ice cream afterward. We just got here. We didn't even get our food yet, mind you. And he's talking about ice cream. But what's going on with your keys? What has been happening? This happened earlier.
My pocket, it just feels like a bag of Chex Mix.
Chex Mix? It feels like a bag of Chex Mix. Right. Oh my gosh, you know what's so funny? The best Chex Mix is just the regular. Or if you're feeling fancy during the Christmas time, you can do like the Muddy Buddies. What?
I'd rather go outside, lick straight concrete rather than eat a bag of Chex Mix.
And I love that for you.
Yeah.
Personally, I think Chex Mix is pretty good.
You would say that. But if you like it, I love it. So. If you like it, I love it.
Right. So I don't like Coke and I don't like Pepsi.
That's a little different though.
For context, he's obsessed with Coke and Pepsi. It's your favorite drink.
Not Pepsi. Coke, yeah, but not Pepsi. Pepsi is the alternative.
Anyways, so we're waiting for our food. today's been great. 10 out of 10 so far. Yeah. Are you having a good day?
Yeah, it's been a pretty good and productive day. You know, I forgot the flowers at the crib. You know, El Nigre on my end. You know, but we gonna make up for it though, cause you still gonna get them when later on. So
Yeah, so you forgot my flowers. That's okay though. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay. It's cool. It's cool. It's fine. But you know, the escape room was fun. We literally had like one more room to go through, and then the room we were in, we were like so close to figuring out. We had the code and everything, but we didn't. What could we figure out? Or we just ran out of time.
we ran out of time.
Yeah.
We were gonna figure it out. We just ran out of time.
Yeah, we were so close. And then the lady was like, you had to use the flashlight, which we didn't even think to bring the flashlight into the next room. And I'm like, why is this here? Because it could be used like a black light, or it could be just like a you know? Yeah. We're gonna go back though. So it's okay, it's cool.
Yeah, we're gonna figure that shit out. For sure.
Oh, for sure.
For sure, right?
I totally forgot. Guys, you never got an introduction. Introduce yourself.
This is J.I. Goodman, the Omen, Superman, Thanos, the Drip Conquistador.
Right.
I got like 8 different personalities. Not crazy though. But yeah, you know, I'm like 189% that nigga.
Family channel.
Oh, you're right. My fault. I'm him. Just know that. Second coming of LeBron. Third coming of MJ. As y'all saw, hopefully, I was making buckets. We gonna edit it so I would make it look like I was taking the shots. You know what I'm saying? Like, really just like that for real. Like, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's me. You know, I'm new to the story. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a new character on the show.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all can call him Jig. While I'm editing this, you'll probably see like the text will say JIG and then like stuff he's saying. So that'll be yeah. So yeah. So we're chilling. About to eat. Hopefully the food is good. Hopefully it's not leading me astray. I do think it will be good because anything with barbecue sauce and onion rings is great. Period.
Of course.
You know, what else was on there? I just saw onion rings and barbecue sauce and I was like, yes, give me that. give me.
Even some Rice Krispies,
Like Rice Krispie treats, like rice.
not the ones that we know, like but they sell like Rice Krispies.
Interesting. Huh. Yeah. But I will see you guys when the food comes. How does it look?
It looks really good, and I'm finna grub. I'm finna get in the field on the front lines. Oh yeah, watch this.
First bite. Okay. Thoughts on the first bite? Did they do their big one like they usually do?
They did. They did their big one with that one. Let me try these fries.
Okay, fry test. Okay.
They did a big one. I don't know if it's because I'm just super hungry or what, but they did a big one this one.
Right on.
Oh
yeah. Let me let y'all know something. So the sandwich is really good. And this is the second chicken place he's put me on to. First it was Cane's. I've never had Cane's like for real. And their chicken sandwich is really good. This chicken sandwich is also really good. I give it like a 7.5. You know, the Cane's sandwich is also at like a 7. Yeah, about a 7. So they're kind of like neck and neck right now. His sandwich is already gone. Moving on to the fries. But I'll give this like a 7.5, just about. So, none too crazy, none too bad, you know.